Hey, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I want to talk about the LinkedIn ad library. So imagine you run a business, and we run a business that is a design subscription that's called Magic Design. And now we want to know how are actually our competitors marketing their products. And one of our competitors is Supersite. So what I want to do now is I want to go to the LinkedIn ad library, and this is a public link that I will also post in the comments. And now you can actually search for the specific company that is your competitor. So I'm typing in Supersite here, and boom, it's very, very easy. Now I can see all the different ads that they are running on LinkedIn right now. And it's a really, really cool way to see how they are marketing, how they are talking about their product, but also the types of videos that they are doing. And ultimately get some inspiration for your own ads, but also understand a little bit more about their strategy. So this is all free. You can really, really use it to level up your own ads, and hope this was helpful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.